Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, it is getting closer to Christmas, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make meringues. They are so customizable, you can change up the flavor and color, so let's just get started. To our stand mixer bowl, we are going to add some white sugar and some egg whites and a little bit of salt. Now we're going to get our whisk and we're going to mix it up. Now we're going to set this on a double boiler. A double boiler is when you have a pan and there's just a little bit of water, but it cannot be touching the bowl. Keep at a constant whisk. Just so you know, if you are a new subscriber, the recipe will always be in the description box below, so you can follow along and make it at home. Every once in a while, kind of lift it up to let all that steam get out. We're going to keep whisking just until the thermometer says 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's ready, you're going to take it off the heat and add it to the stand mixer, fitted with a whisk attachment. I'm going to whip until it's really light and fluffy. Halfway through, we're going to scrape down the sides. Now we're going to add our flavoring. You can do vanilla, but I'm going to do peppermint extract. Ready to move on. I'm going to dye these green and red, but you can do whatever you want. We're going to dye this green and this red. Now I'm going to fill up the piping bags. Alright, we're ready to pipe. Alright, I finished. They look amazing. And now we're going to be putting it in the oven for 1 hour. Then we're going to be turning off the oven and leaving that in for another hour. Alright, let's do this. Alright, here's how they turn out. They look so amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. See you next time.